Hi, I'm Rob King. This is the Homebrew Masterplan Outtakes edition. If you haven't checked it out already, the link above will take you to the lime-filled thrill ride that is the St George's Day Strawberry and Lime Turbo Cider. The theme of this episode is mist. Whether it's trying to drop tea bags into a saucepan, zoom in on a bottle of cider, or simply balance the flavours, I think I missed the target every time. I also have the gut-wrenching Inception mode from my brand new toy, a gimbal that I was trying out for the first time. It certainly made it to the outtakes, not the real thing, but tune in for all of the fun. Cheers everyone. We're starting with just a simple base cider because we're going to add all of the flavourings in secondary for this one. So let's get started. This is 200 grams of sugar, 300 millilitres of apple juice and 2 tea bags. Demijohn and funnel have all been sterilised, so we can start adding the apple juice. Okay, the heat can come off and we can add the tea bags. Yes, I think this might be lime and strawberry. I think perhaps that's come through much stronger than we anticipated, but we'll sort of see how it comes with the carbonation. Starting then with the schedule, we started on Valentine's Day. Now when it comes to taste, we have surprisingly improved. The last 5 weeks has mellowed some of that lime and made it more of a complete drink. It still is very limey, it is a little more drinkable. So this came in at 8.5%. This was the target we were looking for, spot on. The volume, spot on. The volume though was a little lower than we hoped for. It was around 3.3 litres and I was hoping for something closer to, well, 4. Happy St George's everybody, like and subscribe, cheers. That's 5 down and 10 to go. The Homebrew Masterplan is rocking on nicely. The good news is I'm also catching up with the next 2 homebrews, both of which are in the fermenter. But next month it's something really special. May the 4th be with you as a Star Wars inspired Planet Pale Ale is on the way.